planning my Japan trip.
Look at these cities, Tokyo and Kyoto. So many choices.
And this guidebook is perfect. Adventure time!
Hey everyone, let's plan your Japan trip. Look at these trending keywords. And the Shinkansen is super fast.
Okay, so let's get into this Japan travel guide book niche right now. I just want to find a niche that you can go and start writing book about right now. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at this competition score right here. You can see this is saying very low competitor. You can see this competitor is very low right here. So you can write book about this title that you're seeing here right now. I'm telling you, Japan travel guide with map. You can see people, this is the amount of people that are searching for this every single month. You can see estimated number of time this keyword is searched for on a monthly basis. This one is competitors, people who are writing, people who are your competitor in this niche every month, then blah like that. So these are the numbers. Second one is Japan travel guide Yoki is less than 600. You can see his score is also very good. It's also 8.3, low competitors. That's very good. Then the third one is Japan travel guide by Rick Steve. This one is this one is also less than 700. Japan travel guide by Clifford Maxwell. This one is 411 competitor, and the score is what is very important. That's why I want you to go and start writing book about this right now. You can see the competitor is very small. Japan travel guide destination, this one has 3,000, but it's a very good one. I'm telling you, you can see the score is 7.8. It's also low competitor. Japan travel guide with in Eterania, so it's less than 700 competitors. I can see the competitors is the score is 8.3 right there. You can see Japan travel guide ebook, 10,000 people are searching competitor you have for this one. This one is a little bit high, competitor is a little bit high, but the score is still indicating low, 7.0. This one is Japan travel guide Rick Steve pocket guide. This one competitor is 613, but score is 8.4, which means it's very low. It's a good one for you to write on. So this one is Japan travel guide for seniors. You can see this one is 597 competitors. It's not up to 1,000, which is a very good one, and the score is 8.3 right there. That's a very good one. Japan travel guide for seniors, yes, that's what we did. Japan travel guide Korean, 1,000, exactly a very good competitor score, and the score is 8.4. Japanese Japan travel guide in Japan, 1,002, which is a good one, 7.9. Japan lonely planet, less than 1,000, 8.1. DK Japan travel guide 2025, go and write 2026 right now, start making all the money. I'm telling you, less than 600. Score is 8.6 right there. Score is 8.6 right there. This one, somebody has already started writing 2026 already because people are searching for it. So go and write this also right now. It's still less than 1,000 competitors, and the score is 1.2 right there. Japan travel guide guide Robin, this is less than. You can't use this name because this might be trademark already, but you can check it out. If you want me to do trademark for you, let me know so I can check trademark for you guys, but I don't want to. That's not what this video is about, so I can't do the trademark right now. But you can see Robin is still very low. It's 8.7 right now. Japan travel guide cruise ports is less than 400, and the score is 8.6 right there. Japan travel guide book 2025, go and write 2026 right now, start making the money. The score is 3,000. It's a little bit high though, but the score is still good, 7.6, which is good. Japan travel guide Donka, so this is less than 600. Score is 8.7 right there. Tokyo Japan travel guide 2026, 1,000, exactly what we look at right there. and score is even very good, 8.6 right there. Lonely Planet Japan, 2,600 searches every month, and this competitor is less than 1,000. This is very good. This is a very good keyword, man. I'm telling you. 7.6 is the score that is right there. Japan travel guide photo, competitor is 651 and score is 8.3 right there. 8.3 right there. Go and write about this. 2026 is still very young, so you might not be able to write this, or except you remove this name, this Vincent I. Carson. You can remove the name and write Japan Travel Guide 2026. That's a good one because the score is high too. Japan Travel Guide Dixon. This very good too. Japan Travel Guide book. This is very high. Don't go for this one. I'm telling you, 50,000 competitors, bro. You can see it's even indicating that it's a moderate competitor. Well, it's saying moderate, but I don't advise you to go for this because this is already saturated already. I'm telling you this right now. Seriously. Rick Steve Japan. You can't go for this. This is somebody's name. His name is definitely trademark already. I'm telling you. That's why his score is very good. The competitor is low. Japan Travel Guide book, 20,000. Man, don't go for this too, man. I'm telling you. You can see score is also moderate, so don't go for it. Japan Travel Guide for teens. Japan Travel Guide for teens. This is good. 1,000. That's what we look for. 8.1. Japan Travel Guide 2025. Go and write 2026 right now. Start making the money. Less than 600 competitors, and score is 8.6 right there. Score is 8.6, which is a very good one. Japan Travel Guide for first time. Very good. Less than 1,000. You can see the score. Japan Travel Guide to do not disturb, less than 300, and it's very good. Japan Travel Guide book, 40,000. Don't even go there. It's moderate. Don't go there. Japan Travel Guide lonely, less than 1,000. It's good to go. Japan Travel Guide book, don't go there. 30,000. It's also very high. Japan Travel Guide for first timer is very low, so you can go for this one. Japan Travel Guide Surataka. This is very good one. Very good. Japan Travel Guide DK. This is also very good for you to go. Japan Travel Guide Moon. This is also very good. Less than 700. Japan Travel Guide Kids. This is 1,000. Very good for you to go for. Fudo Japan Travel Guide book 2025. Go and write 2026 and start making all the money. I'm telling you right now. Japan Travel Guide free. Like 1,000. It's good to write for this one too. And you can see the score is 8.6. Osaka Japan Travel Guide 2026. Less than 1,000. Japan Travel Guide 2025. Go and write 2026. Less than 1,000. Japan Travel Guide for cruise ship. Go and write this one too right now. Japan Travel Guide cruise. Less than 1,000. Japan Travel Guide pocket. 1,000 is our exact score. Japan Travel Guide 2025. Lonely Planet. Go and write 2026 and start making the money. Japan Travel Guide cruise ports. Less than 600. Japan Travel Guide with kids. 2,000. 2,000 is not bad though. Score is good. Japan Travel Guide. Wow, this one has very high search volume. You can see the Japan Travel Guide. Okay, because it's just Japan Travel Guide. 30,000 though. Competitor is 30,000. You can see it's high, real high. Japan Travel Guide 2026. Somebody is already writing 2026 and you're sleeping there. Let's go to the next page, second page.